A real estate brokerage should reflect the values of its agents. It should offer education, support, strong leadership, fairness, and a culture of growth. We're more than just a brokerage. We're a team. A team with exciting awards galas, friendly golf tournaments, agents that will cover your back when you can't make it, leadership that will make you laugh, and even daily morning calls with the CEO. Together, we find success. Together, we grow.
We are one.
We are one.
We are one.
We are ROVI.